Everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom role in RMS that will grant read-only access to the right-click tools for a user. This is really helpful for the help desk, or if you want to share the tools with other teams, it's a great place to start. So what you'll want to do is open up the Recast Management Server webpage. Under the Permissions tab, Recast Roles, we'll create a new role. We'll call this read-only. Click on Create. Select Permissions. And right away, we're going to grant all of the get actions. So you can quickly do that by just selecting each category after you've searched for get. So get. We're also going to add the list options, which is more read-only actions. And then under Active Directory, we're going to add is account enabled, so you can check for that. Going to add the search options in Active Directory. Going to look for missing software updates under the Config Manager clients, package information. And for endpoint insights, we're going to allow them to open the Recast AI report viewer. And then for system information, we'll give it read-only, and WMI will give it read-only as well. That's all the permissions you need to be able to be given read-only access to every right-click tool action. If we want to actually assign this newly created role to a user, like let's say if this was a help desk user, all you need to do is click on the pen and paper here next to their name, edit, grant read-only access, close and relaunch the console, and then when they log in with those credentials to the console, they'll only be able to access tools from a read-only access level. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Take care.